Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. There is a big hiring which is announced by Capgemini, and this particular hiring is happening through the very well-known Superset platform. You might have lot of queries that, sir, if I'm eligible or not, which colleges are eligible, which batch are eligible, okay, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA are basically eligible for this role, and the last day to apply is March 25th, right, 11:59 p.m. And one more thing, friends, I would like to tell you, many of you are also, when clicking on the link, you are not able to see that particular job listing. Okay, so the complete information you will be getting in this video, and if you want the genuine information, please do like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything and you get the complete clarity that is most important. Okay, so this is a particular link, app.joinsuperset.com, the complete link which is given in the video description. Software engineer, Capgemini XLR 24-25, and they're hiring for 2 roles, okay, that we will discuss here. If you come down, you could see, so analyst and senior analyst, 5.75 lakhs per annum and 7.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, application deadline is, I'm sorry, so it is here it has written March 25, so okay, so basically 26th of March 2025. So this is very the unique way of representing. So basically the last day to apply is 26th of March 2025, 11:59 p.m. This is a salary and job description, and also this is Capgemini XLR hiring. Now, okay, so BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all specialization branches, MCA and MSc, CSIT specialization. Okay, so friends, I had a talk with definitely one of the team of the Superset platform, and there we got to know that this particular hiring is only for specific colleges. So many of you, when you are clicking on the link, you are not able to see the job listing itself. See, the job is not listed after they login. Okay, so this is 2023, 2024, 2022, 2023, 2021, 2022, these are listed, but Capgemini XLR hiring 2024, 2025 is not listed. Logged out, logged in, filtered with Capgemini, then also the same problem. So we got a reply, this job is open only for the selected colleges, this is not off campus. Okay, so friends, be very clear, this is not off campus hiring, this is only on campus hiring. Now the on campus hiring happens only for the current batch, so this particular hiring is only for 2025 batch. So please do not waste your energy if you are from 2024 batch and then apply. See, that's the reason I always tell you, get the complete clarity, get the genuine information instead of putting your head here and there. Okay, now they will not be giving you the list of colleges, that is for sure. In this video I am going to, if you are eligible, then the complete round details, complete process, questions, each and everything will be explained. You will have to be at the end of the video. Now, so this is only on campus, but yeah, 2025 batch, others please don't try. Clear? This is for some selected college. So if you are from A, B, C college, then don't apply. Okay, now earlier, friends, your hiring was like analyst 4.25 LPA, analyst star 5.75 LPA, and senior analyst 7.5 LPA. Now with this XLR hiring, they are telling, so analyst we will pay you 5.75 LPA, and senior analyst I will pay you 7.5 LPA. Bah. But the college which you are selecting is very good college, so obviously you have to increase your package. Clear? So this is a strategy. Very good. Now, so this analyst is gone now. Get the complete clarity once again I am telling. And for this analyst now, they will be giving you 5.75 LPA, senior analyst 7.5 LPA. We'll talk about the rounds. So what all rounds happens. Okay. So this is based on the Capgemini previous examination. Okay, there might be some changes with respect to rounds and all, but anyway, pseudocode plus IT fundamental, 40 questions they will give, 40 minutes you will have time. Verbal ability 30 question 30 minute, 30 question 30 minutes, per question 1 minute. Game based aptitude around 24 questions will be there, and then the time it will take is 24 minutes. Behavioral round 5 sections will be there and 9 minutes each. Clear? Okay, chalo bhai, super duper. Now, so this is from the latest exam pattern. We have collected some data, for you. So the first round was technical round, pseudocode 25 question and IT fundamental 15 question, 40 minutes you will be getting. I will be also showing you, taking you through the question. Pseudocode question from bitwise, logical and for loop. DSA MCQ will be there. IT fundamentals, computer networks, OSI model. Thoda sa mistake hai bhaiya. See, TCS is doing the mistake yaar. Their complete plan. They sent admit card mail and nobody has received. Nobody is able to download the admit card. We are chota. Okay. OSI model, DBMS protocol, IP address, cloud computing. From here questions, questions like TCP, UDP on which layer. Note it is an elimination round. Round 2, second round was essay writing. So essay 25 question, 25 minutes. Now, one thing I want to give you the complete clarity to whoever is watching the video. Sir, यहाँ पे तो बोल दिए 30 क्वेश्चन 30 मिनट वर्बल एबिलिटी में, आगे जाके बोल रहे हो कि 30 क्वेश्चन इन 30 मिनट. क्या सर हम लोग सी हैं? नो, यू आर नॉट. नाइदर यू नॉर मी, दोनों में से कोई नहीं है. द थिंग इज Capgemini, what they had done earlier, so different shift, they have the different varieties. In one shift they had verbal ability MCQs, and in some shift, there was essay writing. आ रहा है समझ में? गेम चल रहा है यहाँ पे. So they are playing the game with the student. Okay, they are playing with your mind. So you prepare for MCQ and then they give you. Okay, so it's like our college exam only. The second round was essay writing, 25 minutes, one essay, minimum word 180 and maximum word 220. Backspace was earlier causing negative marking. Now students say it is not. So basically backspace was it used to cause negative marking, but now they're telling it is not. Question which was asked from few people are below. Cause of heat waves. Learning is more important than winning. Pollution in river. Note it is also a elimination round. Many candidates were rejected in round 2. Follow the below pattern. So when you are going for essay round, keep that in mind. Introduction should be there, body should be there, conclusion should be there. So topics: impact of AI on employments, hard work versus smart work, is deadline is good or not in creativity, is sports necessary in the academics. In other shift, these were the topics which was included. Here we have given you an example, so how you will be writing. So in essay writing, many were rejected. Okay, so you have to give the introduction, then the body, and then the conclusion. This would be the format. Round 3, the third round was behavioral round, psychometric test. 4-5 sections were there, each section containing around 10 questions. Like, are you a team player? Agree, strongly agree. Yes, strongly agree. What do you like more, working in a team or an individual? So you have to write working in a team. So this is not an elimination round. Round 4 was game based test. Game based. Thoda see, I am also influenced by TCS now. So the fourth round was game based round, grid challenge, switch challenge, motion challenge, digit challenge, deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking. If you'll go and check on our channel, so game based already we have covered. Around 4 sections, around 25 questions, time per questions around 6 minutes, adaptive in nature. So slowly the level will increase. It is an elimination round again. Round 5, the fifth round was coding round, total number of question 2, time allotted around 45 minutes. Note this is an elimination round. Round 6 was communication round. Question like, what is your favorite mode of transport and why? My favorite mode of transport is train because they combine comfort, efficiency and scenic view during the journey. Favorite places to visit in hometown where you are among 50 words. So this you had to write like this. My favorite place to visit in my hometown when I was young was the local park, because in the park there were so many things which was happening. Okay, so it had wide open space, beautiful trees, under the trees, okay, jhadi, under the jhadi there were people, and a peaceful lake where I loved to sit and watch the ducks. The park was a perfect spot for picnics, playing, relaxing, and all other things. Okay, so just kidding. Okay, now. So this was okay. Now summary of Capgemini first lot assessment which had happened earlier. So technical question 25 questions, pseudocode 15, DSA 10. Okay, bitwise, logical, and for loop, these were the asked. IT fundamentals 15 question, computer science, computer network, OSI model, DVMS protocol, IP address, cloud security, English writing, heat waves, learning is more important than winning, pollution in river, minimum 180 words, maximum 220, time 25 minutes. This was said by one of the students. Find the Hamming distance between this and this. So this was one of the question. Adobe Commerce is an example of which of the following type of cloud services. So there are some examples, answers which I have already given. So Adobe Commerce on cloud infrastructure is a platform as a services offering that enables rapid deployment of fully customizable, secure and scalable web storefronts combined with a leading hosting and managed services infrastructure. Gmail is an example of which of the following type of cloud service model. So example of SaaS application you may have already used as Gmail, Hotmail, okay, or Outlook. These applications are SaaS applications because they allow you to store and access your messages. Okay, so this is nothing but a SaaS platform. Identify the class of the given IP. So here I have given you the ranges. Okay, so 10.52.36. okay, so the address 10.52.36 is a class A address. Okay, fine. Then which of the following type of virtualization allows the user OS to be remotely stored on a server? So that is nothing but desktop virtualization. Okay, so here convert the given binary. So this we have to see how you can convert it. So which of the following types of database languages? Okay, statements such as grant and revoke. So DCL stands for data control language. It is a component of SQL, a structured query language. This is used to implement security on database object. DCL includes two commands, grant and revoke. Okay, terminators are used in bus topology. So here they have asked, so in which of the following given topology terminators are used? So terminators are used in bus. अरे भाई कहाँ खुद move कर रहे हो? Okay, bus topology. So terminators are placed at both ends points of the backbone cable in a bus topology network to prevent signal reflection. Okay, then which of the following concurrency problems occurs when one transaction, कुछ तो लिखा हुआ है इधर. Okay, so this is dirty read. So a dirty read is a situation when a transaction reads data that has not yet been committed. For example, let's say transaction 1 updates a row and leaves it uncommitted. Meanwhile, transaction 2 reads the updated row. आ रहा है समझ में? Good. So on the basis of user control, identify the SaaS model of the cloud computing. And this was some game-based question which was asked. Okay. So भैया सब कुछ मिलेगा ऑनलाइन स्टडी फॉर यू पे. प्रतीक सर मिलेंगे, कंटेंट मिलेगा, genuine content you will get it. Okay, and lot of things will be there. This particular PDF I am going to put in the Telegram. So this particular PDF I will put in the Telegram. So Telegram link is there in the description. Go to the Telegram. Okay, go to the Telegram, and from there you get this PDF. Also there will be a PDF download link will be there. So there will be a PDF download link. So download this PDF from there. Download this PDF from there. PDF download link. So download the PDF from there and also join the Telegram. So both places we are going to put the PDF. Chalo. Very good. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. So Sara ka Sara clarity in one video. You have got complete clarity in a single video. Thank you. Please support us. Without your support, we are nothing, and we are looking for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.